An underbust corset is more than a fashion accessory. Worn over clothing, it defines the waist, creates a slimmer silhouette, and instantly transforms your style. Let's turn this underbust corset into a pattern. We'll use the basic block from my previous tutorial. Just copy it and follow along. For this design, we only need this part of the pattern. For this project, you'll need your front and back basic blocks, tape, scissors, a pencil, a marker, and pattern drafting rulers. With the bust point as the center, draw a circle using the distance between the bust line and the underbust line as the radius. From the waistline, measure 9 centimeters down and draw a straight line. To create the cut line, we need to rotate this dart. Mark 2.5 centimeters from this point and 1 centimeter from this point. Then connect the two marks with a straight line. To draw the new dart, mark 1.5 centimeters on each side of the dart center line at this point. Then, mark 1.5 centimeters on each side of the center line along the waistline, and 1 centimeter on each side along the bottom edge. Finally, connect the marks to draw the new dart. On the bust line, measure 2 centimeters toward the side seam from this point and mark it. From this new point, measure 2.5 centimeters upward. Then use a French curve to connect these points. On the center front line, measure 3.5 centimeters up from the underbust line. Then use a pattern drafting ruler to shape the curve. On the side seam, measure 1.5 centimeters up. Then draw the line as shown in the video. Use a pattern drafting ruler to create the curves. To design the bottom edge, measure 1 centimeter up along the dart lines. Then, using a pattern drafting ruler, draw a smooth shape from the waistline at the side seam, through these points, and toward the center front. The design of this section is entirely up to you and depends on your desired style. At this point, take out a small gaping dart of about 0.5 to 0.7 centimeters. Before cutting, don't forget to add the grain lines, number each pattern piece, and label them clearly. Next, tape the pattern pieces back together. Carefully review the top and bottom edges and smooth out any uneven lines if needed. Here, where the gaping has been removed and the dart has been closed, this area needs a slight adjustment. Use a pattern drafting ruler to refine the shape. To shape the back neckline, measure 1.5 centimeters up from the underarm along the side seam. Then measure 1 centimeter down along the center back and connect these 2 points with a smooth line. From the center back, measure 3 centimeters inward along the top edge. Then, on the waistline, measure 2 centimeters inward from the center back. Connect these 2 points with a straight line. To transfer the dart, measure 2 centimeters toward the side seam from this point. Then, connect it to the intersection of the original dart centerline and the waistline. Along the top edge, mark 1 centimeter on each side of the new dart centerline. Then, connect these points to the dart legs on the waistline. For the back pattern, the bottom edge of the corset is simply the waistline. Don't forget to add the grain lines and number all the pattern pieces. I've added several boning channels to this corset. They not only add a beautiful design detail, but also help keep the corset fitted and firmly in place around the waist. From the center front, mark 1 centimeter, then another 1 centimeter, and draw the boning channels. In total, the front of the corset has 4 bones. Mark 1 centimeter on both sides of the seam line, then draw the boning channels. According to the design, measure 4 centimeters in from the top edge at the side seam and 6 centimeters in from the bottom edge. Connect these 2 points with a straight line. Then, from this line, measure 1 centimeter and another 1 centimeter toward the side seam and draw the 2 boning channels. On both sides of the back seam, mark 2 boning channels, each spaced 1 centimeter apart, and draw them. From the center back, mark 3 1 centimeter sections, 1 for the boning channel, 1 for the grommet panel, and 1 for the second boning channel. I'm using 8mm Ridgeline boning, so I made the boning channels 1 centimeter wide. If you're using a different size of boning, make the channel about 2 millimeters wider than the boning itself. If you have any questions about what we've covered so far, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. Measure the shoulder strap directly on the dress form or on the body, then draft it as a rectangle on your pattern. You can also wear this corset without the straps if you prefer. It's entirely up to you. Draw a rectangle using the required length and a width of 4 centimeters. Then gently round all 4 corners. I'll also share the sewing tutorial for this design on my channel. If you'd like to wear the corset on both sides, choose a beautiful, high-quality lining fabric and complete every sewing step with extra care and precision. This way, you'll get 2 corsets in one. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more corset tutorials. See you in the next video.